Welcome back guys. So in this video we're gonna be talking about the iPhone 17 Pro, which is gonna be showing off in the 9th September Apple event. So let us talk about everything which is coming in iPhone 17 Pro. So first of all, the screen size is 6.3 inches with a resolution of 1206 into 2622 pixels. Now let us talk about the design of the iPhone 17 Pro. If you have ever used Poco phones, then its design is similar. The cameras are on the same place, and just the sensors, which is the flashlight and the lidar sensors, are moved to the far corner of the phone. It will be consisting of all 48 megapixel camera. Even the periscope lens will be of 48 megapixel, and it will be having 12 gigabytes of RAM and the processor of Apple A19 Pro, which is a 3nm processor made by TSMC. The ultra wide will be of f/2.2 48 megapixel camera, and it will support 4K 120 fps recording. Still no 8K recording like the Samsung phones. The selfie camera will be of 24 megapixel f/1.9 aperture with all the features, and it will also support 4K 120 fps recording. Now the new iPhone 17 Pro will run on iOS 26, and it has 6 core graphics Apple GPU. Also, it will be available with a storage of 256 GB and 12 GB RAM on the base model. The primary wide angle camera will be of f/1.8 aperture, 48 megapixel. The periscope telephoto, which is used for taking far images, will have 10x optical zoom and f/2.8 aperture, 48 megapixel sensors. So that is it for this video, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for all the latest iPhone informations.